I used to turn my head like a normal person. Then one day, I sneezed and became a neck statue. Now I turn my whole body like I'm Batman. Driving, dangerous. Sleeping, risky. Answering the phone, I just stare at it and pray it's not urgent. My chiropractor knows me by name. My heating pad is my emotional support system. And I've Googled, can stress permanently fuse your spine? More than once. But hey, ithurts.com gets it. They've got products that actually help and don't smell like grandma's medicine cabinet. Because honestly, I just want to look left without crying.